Good afternoon, guys. So, if you can see, here is a Nifty's day one chart, and the right side Bank Nifty's day one chart. And if you can see, there is a inside bar candle on the day one Nifty day one chart, and the pin bar also get breakout, and it's sustaining above this, and the level of 16757, 16765, it's get a breakout completely and sustain above this 10 to 15 minute, and we can see a next movement upside till the level of 16840 and 16880. And if it's not sustained above this and it's coming down again, then we can wait for a good pull up again, because maybe it will come down to take everyone a stop loss. If it's not come down and it's sustained above that, then we can go for C. And same thing happening on the Bank Nifty chart also. The Bank Nifty chart also, you can see the inside bar candle, and the inside bar candle pin bar also get a breakout completely and is sustaining about this, and the level of Bank Nifty 35400, if sustain about this around 10 to 15 minutes, and we can see a next movement upside. So guys, I'm not sharing any kind of tips or suggestion to buy or sell. This is just a price action and technical analysis I want to explain with you to make you understand. And the same thing you can see downside on the Bank Nifty chart also, and the Nifty chart also. It's get a breakout from the resistance level and is coming back to retest that resistance level. So that's it for today. And if you are taking a trade, be careful, because market volatility is very high, and whenever you take a trade, first decide when to exit, find out your stop loss, and trade with proper risk management. Without risk management, without setup, don't try to take any